Here we have another 2008 Carrier heat pump, the Comfort Series. The model number is 3208. No, wait, this is serial number. Serial number is 3208E19455. The model number is 25HCB324A300. This heat pump goes in there. There is a pre-reversing valve. I looked, although it's kind of hard to see. Thing's moving a lot of air. This one's also running in heat mode. Very chilly out today. There's not much to say about this unit either. Just gotten out because it doesn't really have much to it. So it's just a Comfort Series, a 2008 Comfort Series Carrier heat pump running in heat mode right now.